welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Giz. Your girl is back on your screen. I just received a package in the mail from FedEx. I just came home. I'm still in my work clothes. I wanted to share this video with you because I'm super excited about rocking these products on tomorrow. And yeah, I had to film this video so that you guys could see this and I could start putting my stuff in the, the bag that they sent me. So without further ado, this video is in collaboration with Any Fashion. They were so kind enough to reach out and wanted me to share with you all some items, so I chose 2 items to share with you in this here video. So let's go to the video. And FYI, I will list everything down in the comment section if you want to know where I got it from, the link, the coupon codes to save, and all that good stuff. So it'll be down in the comment section. I usually put it in the description section, but I don't put it in the description section. I'll just link it in the comment section. But yeah, this is balling on a budget, so let's get started. If you're interested in something like this, if not, just I understand, just cut it off and go to the next video. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Giz, and I wanted to come to you really quick with a unboxing. I just got home from work and I wanted to do this because I want to wear this purse tomorrow when I go to work. So I received this. It came through the FedEx, I believe, and they are some really nice balling on a budget items, and I am going to share them with you. So I have some Gucci unboxings. And I want to start with the smallest bag first. So, FYI, it comes with some cute little gift bags to place the item in, along with some wrapping paper and like the wrapping strings that goes with it. So the first box is this here, and hopefully the light is not too bright. The sun is glaring. Okay, so the first box is cute, and it houses a wallet that I chose. It comes with your card inside, a little envelope that just has Gucci on it. So inside of this dust bag, I picked out this cute Gucci wallet. Let me take the protective film off of it. Put that right there. So this is the wallet that I chose. I love pink, so I had to go with something pink, and this is the Gucci on the back, the logo. Okay, so I like this wallet. I already saw it. I like this wallet because it's not bulky, and you just open it up. It has the Gucci on there, and then you just open it up. Let me get the paper out. And they also put these little paper slots in there just to show you how it would look. So I want to take that out. So the inside of the wallet is pink, and then it just comes with your little snap closure. And I like this because I can just take this if I'm going to the grocery store, or maybe the hair salon, the nail salon, wherever the case may be, and I could just have this, take this in my hand and conceal it. So I like it because it's nice quality, it's not too flimsy, and it's just the right. I don't need a lot of credit card compartments because I don't have a lot of credit cards, so I just need something for my ID, like maybe a debit card, a credit card, and my insurance card, so I like that. It has 1, 2, 3 slots on the top and 1, 2 on the bottom. You get a zipper compartment, and you can put your change in there. It has like this paper, but yeah, you can put your change in there. Sometimes I'll put like some jewelry pieces. If I take my earring off, I'll know that it's safe because it's a zipper, and the zipper closes easily. And then this is the fun part. I've been trying to keep at least a little cash. I don't keep cash on me, but I try to keep, So if I decide I'm gonna do something, I would have cash. So you just place it in here. And yeah, and that's about it. That's all to the wallet. I love it. It's just practical for me. It works. It's cute. And yeah, you can have the little zipper thing dangling. But this is like the cutest wallet ever. So shout out to Any Fashion for sending me out these here products, you guys. So yeah, you guys, I really do love this here wallet. It is super cute. And like I told y'all, I love the color pink, and it's just so girly. So I will be rocking this. And let's go to the next unboxing in here. All right, so we're gonna go with this here beauty. Isn't this the cutest? Y'all know your girl love pink, and they got this bright pink on the outer part of this here purse, and it has the gold hardware. Look at that. And it has, Gucci has that protective paper on there, and it also has it on the gold hardware. I need to take this off. And I like how they protect the hardware so it won't scratch. Okay, they put it on that side. Yeah, so this is the purse, and inside has the strap. So we're gonna put the strap together. And what else does it come with? And it comes with your cute little Gucci, you know, envelope to tell you how to take care of the product, the craftsmanship of the product, and all that good stuff. Now, inside this bag is just open, and it has the kind of like, it looks like linen inside. I don't know, girl, but it's like a really nice material. But you got to be very careful if you have like lip liner, lipsticks, because it can stain the inside. So you want to make sure that you have like a cute little cosmetic bag on hand to separate that, so that it won't mess up the bag. Inside the bag, it has the same color slot where you can put like a credit card, ID, whatever the case may be inside. But this is like good enough room for me. This purse is the perfect size. I love it. I love the color. The bottom, it's all pink. It's that hot pink. It's just super cute. You can wear this in the winter, you can wear this in the summer. It's an all year round purse. And I'm going to show you how it looks with the strap that comes with it. And the strap is a matching strap. It has that hot pink on here as well, and the strap is adjustable. So I'm going to adjust it. Yep, so the strap is adjustable, and it's like a navy and red, but then it has that hot pink right here. And so, you know, you just wear it like a crossbody. I'm going to adjust it a little bit lower because I like it to be to my waist. But this is a really cute bag. And then now I have my cute, that'll be real cute if this was hot pink. But yeah, I can wear this with anything, and I can just put that in there. It fits my wallet. It also fits a cell phone. And I just show you what can fit in the purse. I have my wallet, I have my cell phone, I have my keys, my job ID I place in here. You know, you always have to have your Beats because you never know. You have to have your lotion, my Chanel lotion. I always try to keep that with me. I love this lotion. It's good. It's pricey, but it's good. Okay, and then lastly, I'll just put maybe hand sanitizer and some gum. And that fits in there. I still have room for more, like for some lipstick and all of that. But I'm going to zip it up so that you can see how cute this bag is. I love it. It's really nice. Really nice. I love pink. Anything pink. So I want to thank AnyFashion.ru for reaching out to your girl, sharing with you all these exciting pieces. That is what came in this here box right here, but I just put it on display so that you can see how it looks. But again, I'm going to show you up close. It has that like brass looking hardware. Okay, I made it longer, FYI. Yeah, it's perfect. It's the perfect size. Yes. And this is cute. So I always like to wear like a crossbody. Every now and then I'll wear like a hobo style purses, but you know, it's not too big, it's not too small. I like big bags, small bags, It don't matter. If it's cute, I'm gonna rock it. Thank you again to anyfashion.ru for reaching out to your girl, and hopefully we can collaborate again on another video. All right, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like this here video. I'll see you in a minute.